again, paakyat kami, papunta na naman isang monastery. So, ito guys, ang Armenia, more sila sa, alam mo yung old churches, monastery, parang mga ganun. So, ito, pinuntahan namin. Nakakatakot siya kasi libingan talaga. Diyan kasi nila nililibing yung mga priests, yung mga monk, sa mismo dyan, ayan, yung mga inaapakan mo sa mismong loob. Ito naman, yung nandyan sa loob, yung mga kabaong nila. So, pagpasok namin dyan, alam mo, yung talagang nanginig kami kasi meron pa dyang flower na parang kalilibing lang. So, parang sementeryo yung nangyari dyan. Ayan, tingnan mo, oh. Lahat yan, mga patay. Ayan. Ayan, mga yan. Diyan nila nililibing. Ganyan. So, yan guys. So, tingnan mo, oh. May fresh flowers pa. So, means may nilibing. Parang cemetery, no? Pero, siya. Monastery or church. Old church. Tara, lamig.
English, Italiano, France.
Moonstone?
Ага. Обсидиан.
Дорогие, вот это дорогой.
Это тоже лунный камень.
Very beneficial for me and for my colleague Bartmin, also for our driver Ashok. So, So TripAdvisor.com, then you can like type your service, the name of this company, and already leave the feedback. However, friends, because many people are lost like in these kinds of stuff, like going, searching, all these kinds of stuff. So we have here some kind of like papers. In these papers, there are 4 social media places. Not social media, but some of them are social media. So at the top, there is TripAdvisor. With QR code, you just put your camera on this QR code, and there will be already the page of your service in of TripAdvisor. Then already you go down and type.
And guys, may ano sila, i-rate mo yung ano nila, services nila dyan sa TripAdvisor, yung your, ayan. I-scan mo lang. Magandang idea yan, no? So, ito yung agency namin na sa tours na pinuntahan. Your services. Ayan naman mga dried fruits. Ayan, ang sarap niyan guys. Sa stopover namin sa supermarket, medyo mahal lang siya. So, iba yung price niya pagdating dun sa counter, iba naman. So, yun. Hindi na kami bumili. And, stopover yan guys. Nasiraan pa kami dyan. So, ito, nagstay muna kami dyan kasi yung van nasira. So, ginawa namin is naglakad kami. Medyo malayo 1 kilometer yung nalakad namin. Ayan. Papunta naman dun sa Little Switzerland. Pero enjoy naman. Ayan, yung kasama namin is Armenian, local. So, ayan. Ang saya din. Ayan yung ano nila. Gasoline. So, ito na. Diligent. Diligent siya guys. Paakyat. Nilakad lang namin.
Video. Guys, nasiraan kami. So, ayan, ang layo ng nilakad namin. From there, the bus, to there. Papunta kami ng Switzerland. Yung city, Diligent. Diligent. Ayan, pinaglakad na lang kami ng tour guide. Ayun, ang dami pa naman namin.
Name inch.
Yes.
Oh, name inch. Name.
Name?
Marlena.
Marena.
Adi. Badu.
Charm. Dali na, bebe. Go. Go na.
Ayan, uminom na naman kami dyan guys kasi maganda daw yung water dyan. So, ang lamig, tapos fresh. And malinis naman kasi nga galing sa spring. And then, yan, makakapag-wish ka or lahat talaga daw umiinom dyan, nagwi-wish. So, yun. Tinry namin yan.
Diligent.
Welcome to Diligent City.
Ang laki ng ano niya po. Oh, guys, ayan naman tayo.
ko guys, alam nyo, ang lalaki ng mga roses nila dito. Ang gaganda. Tapos nasa daan lang. And then, yan na guys, ang aming tour. See you again. Thank you for watching. Yan yung Armenia Monastery and Old Dilijan. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sweetness Charm. Thank you.